welcome back to She Stacks. So today I have a mystery package and I know what's supposed to be inside. It's supposed to be silver, but until this box is open, there's always a chance for a surprise. But before I open the box, I have to ask you something. What is your favorite coin? What is something that you just keep coming back to? For me, it's pretty easy. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, you probably already know what's inside this box. Let's open the other side. We have 2 tubes of a mystery silver. So today's featured coin is the Morgan dollar. Take a look at these details. Let's take a look at the back. Now, I don't need to wear gloves because these are considered call coins. Beautiful. Over 100 years old, and it's still here. That's incredible when you think about it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go through these, and if I find any key dates or anything that's interesting, I will come back and I will let you know. Okay guys, well, I looked at all the dates. I haven't seen anything that really stands out. A lot of these are all the same dates. And we have an 1899, 1897, 1902s, 1883. They're in very good condition. So if you're looking for Morgans at a really great deal, check out Liberty Coin on eBay. They're in very good condition, but unfortunately, it's not really what I'm looking for. I was looking for more random dates, random condition, because that's more fun to me. And I'm sure if you're a coin collector, or if you're a stacker, you have your own favorites. Yeah, these aren't the rarest coins. They're not the most valuable, but for me, my favorite coin is pretty easy. It's the Morgan dollar. I've bought silver rounds, I've bought bars, I've bought modern coins, but I always find myself coming back to Morgan dollars. Why? Probably because every one of them feels like it has a story. These coins survived over a century of history. They changed hands during good times and hard times. And every date, every mint mark, every little mark on the coin makes it unique. For me, stacking isn't just about silver prices. It's about chasing the next big move. It's about the hunt. It's about sorting them by year. It's about wondering where these coins have been and who held them before me. That's what makes them special to me. And let's just be honest, Morgan dollars have a look and a feel that modern coins just cannot replicate. The weight, the sound, the history. That's why they keep finding their way back into my stack. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite coin? And what makes you connected to it? Drop it in the comments below. By the way, guys, if you're interested in possibly purchasing some nice wire-wrapped copper jewelry handmade by me. Check out my Etsy store. And if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves silver and gold. And as always, I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.